progress for a sand battery is almost non-existent, but we'll be getting better soon. I have installed 4 more panels. I will install another panel on the rack that is visible at the end of this video. And the reason they are vertically mounted is I have found information that suggests above the 45th parallel you may wish to have them standing more upright. This is working out pretty good so far. I've only had one good day of sun. Today is partially sunny, and we will look at what is going on today. The site I have used for calculation of solar panel angles is called PV Watts, and that's an NREL government site. You will see when you open, they want an address. I just put in my zip code, then it'll go to the next one, and then you start adding information about your solar panels and the quantity, and you will come up with information on how much power you can expect to make with the degree of tilt you have entered into the table. I find very little difference between 70 and 90 degrees for the 3 months that I want to collect solar purely as an experiment with a sand battery. Is in the south horizon. The sun hasn't come up yet. It's before 9 o'clock. That particular photo was probably around November 30th. And the next photo is a little bit later. I think that was December the 1st, and it was taken pretty close to 9 o'clock as the sun is starting to wake up. I have a photo showing the snow melting from the solar panels. Next photo is after it is starting to produce some electricity for the house. It's a small amount. It's not a lot. I get about 1300 watts at peak when it is producing. The final photo that you're going to see here is 4 panels that I've mounted vertically as stated early on. Take a good look at them. There will be a 5th one mounted on there in the next day or two. It will give me a total of 1200 watts, and they will produce some power, I do believe. Thank you so much for watching. Keep in touch. The sand battery will be coming. Don't have any expected date for that to be done, but I will be working on it. Thanks again for tuning in. Bye-bye.